In Section 1983 actions, an individual may sue a state or local officer who, while acting under color of state law, violates federal rights. However, under the doctrine of qualified immunity, government officials may be shielded from liability for actions taken while in office that don't violate clearly established rights. In Plumhoff v. Rickard, the United States Supreme Court considered whether police officers were entitled to qualified immunity in a 1983 action for using deadly force in the line of duty. On July 14, 2004, Lieutenant Joseph Forthman of the West Memphis, Arkansas Police Department pulled over a car for having a headlight out. At the time, the car was being driven by Donald Rickard, and Kelly Allen was in the passenger seat. During the stop, Forthman noticed an indentation the size of a head in the windshield and asked Rickard to step out of the car. But instead of stepping out, Rickard drove off and led the police on a high-speed chase. 5 other officers joined Forthman in the pursuit, including Sergeant Vance Plumhoff. During the chase, Rickard reached speeds over 100 miles an hour. When police finally caught up to Rickard, his car spun into a parking lot and collided with Plumhoff's vehicle. Rickard then quickly threw his car into reverse to escape. At the same time, Plumhoff and another officer got out of their cruisers and approached Rickard's car with their guns drawn. Plumhoff then fired 3 shots into Rickard's car. Rickard continued to maneuver his car as he attempted to flee. Police officers then fired 12 more shots into the car, causing Rickard to lose control of the car and crash into a building. As a result of the gunshot wounds and injuries suffered from the crash, Rickard and Allen died. Subsequently, Rickard's daughter filed a 1983 action against the officers, mayor, and police chief in federal district court, arguing that the officers used excessive force in violation of Rickard's 4th and 14th Amendment rights. The officers argued that they were entitled to qualified immunity because deadly force wasn't excessive under the circumstances and moved for summary judgment, which the court denied. The officers appealed to the Sixth Circuit, which affirmed. The United States Supreme Court then granted cert.